The resourceful Lal Ba always finds ways to make the most of raw materials. Once used to grow crops, local artisans transform the decaying mud into a magical, multiplying commodity, now found in countless households. To complete this luxurious transformation, free clay, dug from the ground, is first soaked in a certain proportion of water, a crucial step in increasing its plasticity. Next, it's placed in a special blender and stirred repeatedly. This process lasts for 2 days. Leave the raw materials to sit for at least half an hour until they become sticky, then remove them. Feng Lin, a 16-year-old, uses his unique technique of flipping the corners of Hong Kong back and forth to increase the stickiness of the clay. Now, take out the processed raw materials, place the appropriate amount into a professional shaping mold, and shape them. From the shape of the mold, many people have probably guessed what product is being made today. The electric platform continuously rotates, driving the bow and arrow to spin. The master also uses the tool simply trims the edges to ensure every detail of the product is perfect, as the raw material still has a high moisture content. After the rough piece is formed, it is placed in a designated air drying station for initial drying. After demolding, it is then moved to an outdoor drying area. The high temperature quickly evaporates the excess moisture in the clay, and the soft clay gradually hardens and takes shape. This seemingly simple operation successfully makes the clay. Ba has become a large sea bowl, a must-have for Lal Ba's meals. To enhance the product's aesthetics, the successfully shaped sea bowl cannot be fired directly. The owner has already prepared vibrant natural pigments and various homemade tools. First, a beautiful waistline is precisely drawn on the bow and arrow according to shooting requirements. Relatively complex decorative patterns are made using the more efficient stamping technique. The pottery produced using this technique in the lower right corner is not very safe, but it has excellent performance and will not be affected by the product. High-temperature environments can easily cause flashing. Before we could blink, the masters had already completed the upstream work on the clay molds. Then, with the tacit cooperation of many old buses, they neatly stacked them in the firing pit. Since the space inside the furnace exceeds 10 cubic meters, the preliminary preparation work will take 2 days. Using discarded wood scraps from furniture factories as fuel for the firing pit is also very cost-effective, although this is a bit expensive. Fortunately, a minibus only needs to per day. The 100 brushes weren't wasted. As the fire in the fuel bin burned fiercely, the temperature inside the furnace gradually rose. After a day and a half of continuous heating, the originally grayish-white bait melted under the high temperature and gradually turned into a translucent, shiny layer. As for why it looks more like a khaki, I think it's because the clay mold is too old, but I'm not sure. If you put your favorite food in a large bowl like this, how many bowls can you eat?